Having trouble getting past the Windows 11 network and Microsoft account setup? No stress. Let's break through it right now. When you're on the setup screen, hit Shift plus F10 to open command prompt. If it doesn't pop up, try Fn plus Shift plus F10. Boom, you're in. Now type this command exactly. Start MSCXH, local only. Hit enter, and watch the magic happen. A local account setup window appears. Just type the name you want, add a password if you like, and click Next. And just like that, you've bypassed the Microsoft account and network requirements in seconds. If this saved your day, hit that subscribe button for more quick Windows fixes.